Good morning. Oh my gosh. It still smells so bad like smoke out here. They said it's going to clear hopefully by tomorrow evening, but look how beautiful this is. That's the sun. Cool, eh? You can't, I don't want you guys out here. He just ended up following me out. Oh, look how pretty our babies look. Hi. Hi, baby. I can't get rid of it. Okay, so yesterday I listened to, look at the sun, well, yeah, you can kind of see it. Yesterday I listened to 2 readings. I normally listen to 7D Tarot and Empath Tarot on YouTube, depending who has my sign for that day. And then I've been listening to this other woman. Come on, over here. And both of them talked about Empath Tarot and the other lady, both of them talked about letting go. Letting go, letting go, letting go. And I have been getting messages and comments from someone in my past who I used to be very close to when I was a Christian and lived in Sudbury. And I was like, yesterday I was getting so fed up with their messages that I ended up blocking her, because I'm just like, this is too much, way too much. Sending you like prayers to cast out stuff and all these things, and I'm just like, that's enough. That's enough. Look at this cutie barking all morning because seems to be a bad time to come out. Everybody and their dogs are coming out at this time. Let's check out the sun. These two, I think they're gonna go for a car ride or something. It's still very full and red. Can't really tell, but hey, let's go. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Sunday. Where are you going, Sunday? So this is cool. Back to speaking about those readings that I was listening to yesterday. The one said that if you're seeing 1s and 7s everywhere, it is a sign. 777. Cool. What are you doing? Look at these two.
Amplify your positive emotions. Beautiful. This is number 7. Amplify your positive emotions. And I will read from the book for you. So right now, your ancestors want you to know number 7. Here we are.
Alrighty. It is 12:10. My mom and I are supposed to be going out. She would like to run some errands, but then I remembered we have a training at 1 o'clock on the new spray-on makeup products. So now we're gonna see if we're gonna have to wait for the replay, if we're gonna go out anyways. But I'm so grateful that it's windier today, because that means we're able to keep our windows open and not have to feel like we're suffocating because of the smoke. Look at them. Unison, so cute. I just sneezed. So we decided to watch the replay. And it's a good thing we did, because my sister called and asked if we can go help do some social media and promotions for her and her new esthetician. And that's right up my alley of what I wanted to do today anyways. Go around and take selfies at some cool places here in London that people have painted and stuff like that I've seen when I was doing Uber Eats and Instacart. So it's gonna be a fun afternoon. Stop to get dog food. Hi, baby. You're gorgeous. Oh, that's not my mom. There's mom. Digital artist entrepreneurs. Nice and soft. So looking forward to having my own place and have all these nice flowers and stuff that probably somebody else will be taking care of. What are you thinking of, Mom? Looking for what?
Cucumbers.
Oh yeah, cucumbers.
I don't see them unless I'm missing.
These are pretty. So nice. Found the cucumbers, Mommy.
I went by here a few times, but I just focused on the peppers. I didn't see the cucumbers. Should we get 3, Angie, then?
Sure.
Here's a good one, I think.
What a cutie. Cutie patootie. Ooh, look at that beautiful bee. Ooh, where are you going? Where are you going?
Look, what did I drop in here?
Your keys.
You look very tiny.
Explosion. Let's get up. Orange. Explosion. Let's get up. Okay. I guess my face was hot. Yeah. It feels good though. I thought I'd like mud on my face. This will be safe, more safe.
More safe?
Yeah. Oops.
Thank you. Right side.
Are you okay? Exfoliation. Just get out. Look at it. More shiny. Feels good. Oh my god. Yeah, I feel so busy. Wow,
Feels
big
busy?
job, eh? Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh, she said it feels so fizzy.
Yeah. Feels so good. What a nice workout.
Workout?
For her.
Oh,
Yeah. So it's nice again.
I just don't know what to do with the door now. All right. Oh, I forgot to get the holes.
Find anything good?
Yeah, I know. I was just looking at that. I feel like mostly in my career. So I'm going to give you some celebrity comparisons so that you can get an idea of how the shades go. So Warm Ivory, that is the lightest shade. It's the shade that we used on the movie Twilight Breaking Dawn to get that very pale, pale look. So that would be like Kate Blanchett. Warm skin tone, yellow base, but very pale. The N2 is like Nicole Kidman. Like Kristen Stewart. It's the shade we use on her. And it's also the most popular selling shade in South Korea. It is a very light neutral base, but it's not pink. And that's a really hard shade to find. If you're that light and you have sort of a neutral undertone, this is gonna be.
Good evening. Look at the beautiful moon. So, just finished watching the replay of the spray-on makeup, and that stuff is phenomenal. I think I'm gonna start wearing makeup now, and the health benefits of it just is amazing also. But yeah, we ended up going to Restore and to Value Village and some Bin's place, and just having a good time. And it was so much fun driving home by myself, music blaring. I needed that. That was great. Have an amazing night.